Commodity trading, especially in natural gas, has long been seen as complex, risky, and time-consuming. It demands constant monitoring, in-depth market knowledge, and fast decision-making. But what if all of that could be handled by intelligent automation? Meet TeonGas, your AI-powered trading assistant built specifically for the natural gas market, with a focus on the evolving energy landscape in Ireland. As Ireland rapidly transitions towards smarter, cleaner energy solutions, TeonGas helps you stay one step ahead, analyzing the markets in real time, identifying opportunities, and executing trades automatically, with zero guesswork. There's no software to install and no complex setup required. Whether you're sitting at home or on the move, TeonGas is fully cloud-based and accessible from your phone, tablet, or desktop. It's designed to be simple for beginners, yet powerful and customizable for experienced traders. Special offer: be among the first to experience AI-powered commodity trading in Ireland. Click the link below, enter your email, and unlock early access to TeonGas, including a guided onboarding session, an exclusive welcome bonus, full platform access before public launch. By monitoring both global commodity markets and local sources, including key exchanges like the Irish Energy Exchange, TeonGas uses live market data to make informed trading decisions. It applies proven AI strategies to balance risk and maximize performance, all without requiring you to constantly watch prices or charts. You don't need to be a professional trader to benefit. TeonGas handles it all, from identifying entry points to executing trades and adjusting to changing market conditions automatically. If you're building a gas-based portfolio or looking to diversify into the wider European energy markets, TeonGas offers seamless integration and intelligent automation from day one. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description now and enter your email to unlock early access to the TeonGas platform, a full onboarding walkthrough to get you started smoothly, an exclusive welcome bonus for new users. No hype, no noise, just smart, AI-powered trading designed for the future of energy and tailored to Ireland's growing market. Don't miss your chance. Tap the link now and reserve your spot. Smarter tools, smarter trades. TeonGas, AI working for your energy portfolio.